Airlines have gotten ruthless about the size and weight of carry-on bags. Some measure down to the inch. Budget airlines charge you for even looking at the overhead bin. That's why finding the perfect personal item size bag matters. And the Able Carry Max EDC promises to be just that. Compact enough to fit under any seat, yet tough enough for serious one-bag travel. This bag has been getting a ton of hype in the travel world. And the big question is, can this 26-liter backpack actually replace both your daily carry and your travel bag? I've been testing it for the past month, so let's find out. In today's review, I'll walk you through all the basics, measurements, materials, and weight. And then we'll dive into the organization and the unique features. Finally, I'll give you my honest, unbiased thoughts on who this bag is really for and whether or not it's worth your hard-earned money. By the way, Able Carry did not sponsor this video and they've got no idea I'm making it. Let's dive in. First up, dimensions. This bag measures 19.6 inches by 11.8 inches by 7.5 inches. We'll put centimeters on the screen as well, which means it's gonna fit dang near every airline if you were using it for one bag travel or as a personal item. If you have to stuff it into a sizer, it's gonna fit. If you have to push it under the seat in front of you, it's almost always gonna fit. Now, when it comes to weight, it's not the lightest in terms of backpacks. It's 3.4 pounds. But there's a trade-off here. This bag is rugged and super durable. The exterior is constructed from X-Pac VX21 and Cordura 1000D nylon. X-Pac is the stuff they make sailboat sails out of. It gives you excellent weather resistance, and the Cordura adds serious durability. It's also got a DWR water repellent coating and YKK zippers. As soon as you touch this bag, you can feel the quality. Aesthetically, I love it. The modern, structured design gives it this technical vibe that somehow still looks clean enough for the office. Let's dive into the organization. This bag features a unique 3-compartment design. You've got your main packing area, opens up clamshell style, up to a 25-liter capacity in here. Bunch of thoughtful organization options. Stretch slip pockets, zipper pockets. Then there's a work compartment that'll fit up to a 17-inch device. Little admin pocket up here for chargers and stuff like that. The laptop compartment isn't the most protective sleeve I've seen. Your laptop has a little bit of room to move around in here, and for a premium bag, I expected a little more padding and structure. The front vertical pocket is interesting. It has a duffel style opening and it's a roomy catch-all kind of space. Capacity is up to 8 liters in here. They keep showing it with a pair of shoes, so I get it for that EDC context. A couple of other cool pockets hidden here. Tucked side pocket with a leash for keys, hidden pocket on the back panel for something like a passport, card pockets. One more divisive feature has to be the water bottle pocket. They call it a stealth water bottle pocket. I get why they did it. It keeps the bag looking sleek, but functionally, to me, it's a hassle having to take off your bag and unzip a pocket every time you want to drink. It's just not ideal. So while I appreciate the aesthetics, it's not my favorite feature. You can decide for yourself. Now, let's talk about the straps and the back panel. First off, it's got these cushy, well-padded straps. They're hella sturdy, very comfortable. And it's also got an adjustable sternum strap. When paired with the padded back panel and Able Carry's custom A-frame support system, it does a really, really good job at distributing weight. That said, it might have a little trouble standing up by itself. Now, some users have found the overall harness system a little less comfortable than expected, especially during longer carries. Personally, I think this is one of the most comfortable 26-liter bags I've ever put on. But I've seen mixed feedback. If comfort is your highest priority and you're concerned about how it may feel, I would suggest taking Able Carry up on their 2-week test run policy. It's got a luggage pass-through if you're using this as your personal item paired with your luggage, and the handles are padded and very, very sturdy. Overall build quality, in my opinion, is a 10 out of 10. All right, let's talk price. This bag retails for $280 US, which is in the ballpark for serious travel/EDC bags, but it's also a serious investment. So who is this bag for, and is it worth it? Well, I would say if you're looking specifically for a compact one-bag travel backpack that you know is gonna fit under the seat in front of you, durability is very, very important to you. This one is a serious contender. I think perfect use case is if you wanted to go one bag it around Asia for a month. It's made with durable materials. It's got a spot for your laptop if you need to get some work done. And with Able Carry, you get a lifetime warranty. If you decide this bag is for you, consider using the links in the description below. We spend our own money to make these videos, but using that link helps us fund this channel at no additional cost to you. All that said, if you mainly need a personal item backpack to pair with your roller luggage, you want external water bottle access, or you just think this costs too much, check out this video where I compare 10 of the top personal item backpacks on the market to declare one overall winner. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels.